telling me you want no disguise over this thing that evades us tonight. Hidden away but can still be seen. You and me, we've got to come clean. And all through my life I see it's that thing that escapes me, yeah. Know I got the will but need the strength to go on. Keep telling myself this is where I belong. Make me question if it's really meant to be. Like, whoa, whoa, I know there's something there, but I take it beyond death. It still escapes me, it still escapes me. Whenever you're around, my sky always tumbles down. And it still escapes you, won't let it escape me again. If I reach out to you, will I be thrown away because I'm nothing new? The same old me standing right beside you. Time blows away with the wind.